Bakit ka na naman pupunta ng Al-Ula?
Para sa balloon!
Balloon! Magtinda muna ako ng yapo.
Hey Siri, DB water.
Ha? Ano?
Caps. Gusto niyo bang kumita habang nakaupo kayo? Ako din. Salamin sa intak na panahon. Mali!
Ingat ka ng dirukot, third floor.
Tayo pa, kasama ka kahit saan ang punla.
Kita kami ng mga boss sports car na Sports!
Wala naman niya akong tao dyan.
Wala daw nakakabalik, sir. Ha? Aray! Mas malaki pa yung sala kaysa sa Al-Ula.
Yes.
Nung alis, saksak yung pitaklan.
Number 1!
Sa window. Yung building. Ayan, good evening everyone. Ayan, yung mga Team X-Back pupunta ng Al-Ula.
It's your heart, boss.
Huh? Who is this? Who is this? Yes.
Oh, where
Yeah.
are you going? Okay.
Bakaran. Yes.
Drink a lot of whiskey.
Yes, Sir Harold. Galing ka ng duty na.
Yes, boss.
Bakit ka na naman pupunta ng Al-Ula?
Para sa balloon.
Balloon. Ito yung mga bagong recruit namin. Ayan, si Miss Nina. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? First time mo pumunta ng Al-Ula, sir? First time? Ayun yung isa. Ahlin. Pupunta ka na naman ng Al-Ula, hindi ka titigil?
Hindi, ano lang kayo, supportan.
Suporta pala. Thank you. Kasi dati, pilay kasi ako. Ngayon, okay na ulit. Ayan, hinihintay na lang namin si Charmaine. Medium size na maleta ang dala ko. Hello!
Oh.
Kumain ka?
Yes, sir, kumain na.
Ikaw, sir? Bahala na.
Boss.
So,
Sinubo ko.
kumain ka? Ba't ang tagal mo, Charmaine?
Ginaganon ka, you know daw, you know.
Hindi yun,
Gigigil ako eh.
Galing kami pang duty eh.
Galing na ito,
Nga kami today pero lumalaban. Kala ko kasi may bonus kaya nag-alulat.
Wala pala pampangayan.
Wala pa ba ng hot air?
Oo, wala.
Kasi ng hot air.
Tsaka wala. Ubus na rin. Magtinda muna ako ng Yakult. Habit natin ngayon, pang Yakult muna. Sama na ako sa mga European na. Ayan, ganyan muna tayo. Ilan saya?
Dalawa nga.
Dalawa saya? Malamig mainit. Dito na daw, sir. Ito na ba yun? Hello!
Hello. Ay.
Ryan GTV.
Yes.
Dito ka, Sir Ryan, no? Tapos dito si Sharon and her daughter.
You may proceed na daw, sir. Ayan. Yung itlog,
OOTD nito.
Oo, kailangan. May mga OOT.
Amin, our #1 driver. Hello, right?
Ano sa Weasley pa? Sabi naman. Ayan na yung window eh. Yan, nag-stop over muna kami, kakain. So, namin sa Lantasay. Bakit mga tanan? Yawa. Ha? Ha? Uy, isave mo yan, isave mo yan.
Kinakumpit ko muna.
Okay, spicy?
Mix.
Mix? Hamsa. Bibzi.
Hindi.
7-Up.
Na. Avocado.
Hindi partner.
Hindi partner.
Bibzi ang partner ng
7-Up na ron.
Swerte na.
Yakult ka pa.
Ha?
Yakult ka pa.
Bakit? Dalawa pa, Yakult. Ganon.
Kape muna kayo, kape. Kape.
Ano masasabi mo sa biyahe?
Super good.
Oy, wala tayong dadan na kayo sumakay. Kain muna tayo. Hello. Ayan. Breakfast muna kayo. Mamaya na yung Yakult. Ay, napakagandang na yun, no?
Dadan. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Give me water. Please clean as you go, ganon. Ang gagaling nila, Zay.
Nakasay. Bali, hindi kami nakapag-book ng dadan. Ayun yung dalawang bus. Papunta kami straight to hotel. Papahinga muna kami din. After that, punta kami ng Maraya. Dito registration. And hindi kami nakasama sa dadan. Kasi hindi kami nakapag-book. Dahil...
Ilan ang laman ng STC Bank?
37. Kulang na kulang. So, kailangan i-reserve. So, ngayon, hihintayin namin sila. Papunta sila ng dadan. Sabi ko sa kanila, damihan nila yung kuha ng candy kasi masarap yung mga candy doon. So, we are straight to Shalal Hotel na aming tutuluyan. In a few minutes, diretso na kami and tutulog ulit. Heading to Shalal Hotel. Napakahabang biyahe kaya deserve natin charge muna lahat tayo, buddy.
Charge.
Maligo ulit, no?
Ligo ulit?
Yes.
Pwede din.
Di ba, maximum time 5 minutes lang.
Kapag kwentuhan ka sa CR ata,
lahat ng sulok ng CR pinicturean.
na po, kompleto na po.
Paano?
Caps. Rock formations.
Nandito kami sa Shalal Resort. Papahiram daw ako ni Sir Philip nito para mas maganda yung mga maraya natin. Ayan, pinahiram ako ng 300 cm. Dito kami mag-i-stay for 2 days. Nataba na nasa kursi. Alin?
Ay, kamalakihan pala ito. Brother!
Ayan, we're heading to lunch pack time.
Mangga ata yan no?
Sinabi ko kay kuya yung tubig. Baka palagyan. Yung swimming pool.
A few moments later.
Masarap yung yung isda na.
Di Spanish yun. Spanish
Spanish
yun.
yun.
Yung sabi stick, ha?
Ang lambot, no?
Tigbawan? Nagurudugong ka kayo. Sa pararating bawan na.
Ano po, namukon.
Asa namukon? Malapit lang. Kasi sa pararating bawan, kung mag-fiesta kayo, may parating may away doon, di ba? Sa
Saya pala dito.
Pupunta kami dun sa kapehan. Yan, kasama natin ang Team S-Back for today's video. Oh, mamaya, i-ano natin.
Ayan. Bago pa rin, sabihin mo lang, direct ha. Papunta ng kunwari.
Shalal Cafe. How much, brother? 10 riyal. Cash?
69, 20, 30.
Yan, 360 siya. So, kahit anong...
Hindi, yung ganun na lang.
Oo.
No?
Yan, habang nagsasalita tayo, nabablog siya ngayon.
So, ito na nga. Gusto niyo bang kumita habang nakaupo kayo?
Sir.
Ako din.
Gusto ko.
Hindi hindi mo inano yung habitas 450, no?
Yun talaga ang trip ko.
Hindi, kulang yun sa araw natin.
Oo, boss.
Hindi siya.
Pati yung helicopter.
Ngayon, kung gusto niyo po susunod,
Ay, nako, boss.
pumunta sa susunod, yun. Yung habitats, yung...
Yun na yung target talaga ng pag-ipunan na.
Hot air, yun. Parang may part
Saka
3
yung
pa ako, no?
jumping.
Oo, yun.
Oo, yung jumping. Boss, saan ba na yun?
Jumping.
Lahat naman pag may booking ka dito, ihatid ka nila.
Oo, yun ang coverage mo.
Iba na booking ko.
Ay. Kung nga, mamaya.
Diba? What time out?
What time out?
Iba yung na-booking ko.
12 daw.
12? Mapamis kita.
Doon ako sa sala.
Doon, sa Wida Itla.
Support ako.
Sa Wida Itla.
Ano yan, sir?
After the WAM, ha?
Doon ako sa sala. Time check, 12:30.
Yes.
12:45, babalik na tayo doon sa accommodation, magbihis, magdala ng costume para sa Maraya,
Magdiretso na ba?
magdala ng costume para sa
Mag-charge na?
Harap Viewpoint. Tapos, Harap Viewpoint. After ng Harap Viewpoint, another costume sa Globe.
Old Town.
Yes. Then, Old Town, kahit t-shirt na lang kasi ano yun, lakaran din yun eh. Makakakita kayo ng mga old fashion na items.
Sa resort, hindi naman ako mag-perform eh. Costume. Ako nga, t-shirt lang yung dala ko. Suot mo yung boots mo na puro belt.
Ano yung bakasyon?
Bukas ba yan?
With the fur.
doon.
Alin mo?
Salamin na malaki. Kaya gusto
Salamin,
ko-
salamin sa indak ng panahon. Naiba na. Mali! Salamin, salamin sa indak ng...
Biglang nanabat na.
Ha?
Ito ko na lang.
A few moments later.
Ula. Alas 2. Team Yes ba? Pupunta kami ngayon sa Maraya.
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 Alam
Sa
niyo,
English,
mirror.
Arabic,
Maraya.
Nadara.
Wala, Maraya. Na.
Nag-away pa.
Papagas.
Salamin, salamin.
Salamin sa lamin.
Hello.
Nakult daw kayo.
Yakult kayo dyan.
Salamin, salamin sa indak ng panahon.
Salamat naman sa Sanova. Ay, Diyos ko. May iniwakas ko ka rin sa... Thank you.
So my name is Mishari. I will be your tour guide during the whole experience. So our tour will last approximately for half an hour. We'll start from here until the 3rd floor, which is the rooftop. Okay? We need to stay in one group. Okay? So Maraya is the largest mirror building in the world. It has titled Guinness World Record. Yeah, and it was built in 2019. Okay? There is an information why might shock you, which is the duration of the construction time of this huge building, which is it took him only 66 days to build Maraya, whole building. So around 2 months and 1 month. So it's a multi-purpose venue where we host inclusive events during the high season, especially in winter, and also we usually host some conferences, whether it's international conference or local one. And usually we do host some private events such as weddings or birthdays. Okay? But the cost will be very high.
In the heart of Saudi Arabia's ancient desert landscape, where history whispers through the windswept sands, a marvel of modern architecture rises. architectural masterpiece that seamlessly blends with its environment, reflecting the stunning beauty of Alaula's rugged terrain. Innovatively designed by the Italian firm Giuforma, Maraia now stands as the largest mirrored building in the world. The key to Maraia's breathtaking design lies in its cladding created by Guardian Glass, where each panel ensures a flawless reflection of Alaula's natural wonders and is designed to withstand the harsh desert conditions. Equipped with cutting-edge acoustics and lighting systems, Maraia was designed to host everything from intimate performances to grand cultural events, offering a unique venue where the arts can flourish amidst the historic backdrop of Alaula. But Maraia is more than just a building.
Second? Rooftop?
Third floor. Ingat ka ng dirukot. Third floor.
Sir, di kami makaangat sa taas. Kailangan ng card. Maluwag to lang. Dito na gamit. Ayaw. Alright.
Tayo pa, kasama ka kahit saan magpunta.
Doon pala siya. Doon. Yes. Kita kami ng mga sports car na yan o. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin nila. Hindi na ha?
Ay, yun ata yun.
Last words. Ha? Any last word? Ay, grabe no? Sharp talaga no? Hindi, at least careful to eh. Yun! Ay, yung mga nag-avail na zipline yan, binaba dyan.
Wala naman yung tao dyan.
Wala daw nakakabalik, sir. Tingnan nyo naman ng ano. Di ba? Arab viewpoint. Nasakay kami dito sa minibus para makabalik dun sa sasakyan namin.
Bukas ako magdudugas ng bato sa Egra.
Merong isang bus na maghahatid sa'yo from parkingan. We're locked time but surviving. Aray!
Hotel accommodation. for today's video. So as you can see,
Mabilisan lang.
dalawang rooms, big rooms, huge.
Sige. Dyan na. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. VIP. VIP room.
VIP room.
Okay.
Humongous sala.
Mas malaki pa yung sala kaysa sa alula. Okay na kaya? Tara, tuloy na natin mamaya part 2.
Yes.
Yes.
Habang nga sa part 2, ang swimming pool.
Okay. Kiki breakfast kami ngayon. Sinangag. Yun nga, yung iba nagdadala na daw ng gamit. Nainggit si Charmaine. Alam mo na. Pupunta kami ngayon sa staff lounge. Kakain kami ng breakfast. Ay. Kinikilig na ba siya? Yung kasama ma. Morgan. Nabasa po yung almusal niya, no?
Alas ito kayo. Inis na.
Diba? Inis. Ikaw pa naman. Hello pa. Good morning. Live po.
Sofa bed.
Live sir. Live.
Ay, live?
Yes.
Good morning po. Open-minded ba kayo? Kasi sa amin, sir, sa company namin, tinuturo talaga, sir, yung continuous learning program. Ito yung mga pinaka-benchmark ng company namin. Paano yan? Sa product namin, sa mga ibang company kasi, pag binibenta mga gamot-gamot, may expiry. Sa amin kasi, kagandahan, wala. Hindi na-expire yung product.
Ano ba yung gamot na yan?
Kasi, ini-embrace namin yung digital technology.
Galing nga.
Sir Ray, Japan natin, Sir Ray.
Sige.
Tinaplan namin ng January.
Japan daw, sir. Japan, ha?
Kami recycling dito. Ginagawa namin, nire-revolve namin.
Revolve daw.
Ginagawa lang pagkalunan. Ikaw maliit na bagay, pinapalaki. Dapat proper mindset. Proper. Positive dapat. Yes. Power. Iba talaga pag 4 hours ang tulong. Membership fee.
Diba?
Ay, ma'am, kasi mahirap kasi, ma'am, kasi yung grasya, ma'am, kung itatabi natin, ma'am, hindi rin full ang pagkabigay ng grasya.
Yes.
Ma'am, talaga may kamukha ka. Okay, ma'am. Inuulit ang last na
Orientation pa pala yun?
na mga ata sa syudad. Nasusupport sa iyo. Power! Power!
Yes, Sir Julius. na kami dito sa Higra. Ayan, Higra Welcome Center. Assalamualaikum.
Saudi Arabia's first ever UNESCO. The site is approximately ancient trading routes, which
Higra. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Shoy. I'm the Rawi, which means the storyteller. I'll be with you, inshallah, during this tour in Higra. We will have a journey through time over 2,000 years ago to the time of Nabateans, okay? We got 4 stops. This is the first one. It's called Jabal Ithlib. The second stop going to be Jabal al-Banat. Our third stop going to be Jabal al-Tharid. And our last stop going to be Jabal al-Ahmar. It's not allowed to climb, mark, damage anything, or enter Ad-Diwar or any tombs in Higra except tomb number 26 in our second stop, okay? So firstly, let's talk about Higra. Why Higra is so special? Higra was the first archaeological site in Saudi Arabia to be added to the UNESCO in 2008. And the city of Higra was established by the Nabateans. Who are the Nabateans? The Nabateans, they were a group of Arabs. They used to travel around the Arabian Peninsula. They started in Petra in 6th century BCE. In Jordan, south of Jordan, okay? So they want to expand their kingdom. They choose and reach Al-Ula in the 2nd century BCE. Why did the Nabateans choose Al-Ula? Because Al-Ula, it's a key location in the ancient Innocence trade route linking the southern of Arabian Peninsula to the Mediterranean, okay? Also, Al-Ula is naturally more abundant and rich in water, also in agriculture. So the excavation revealed that cotton, wheat, dates were planted in this area for more than 2,000 years. Now we are standing in Jabal Ithlib, and the Nabateans choose this place as a gathering and religious area. So usually the Nabateans, they gather inside Ad-Diwan, discuss a lot of things. But it's not allowed to anyone to enter Ad-Diwan except the elite members of the Nabateans. You may ask, how do we know about that? From the inscription over there in the top of the corner. Did you notice it? Yeah. It's inscribed their names, okay? And we know that the Nabateans, they were water engineers. They used to carve a hole in the top of the mountain to collect the rainwater. Also to carve the water channel. So you can see in the corner one of their water channel, okay? In the lower section here, did you notice this basin? It's a purification basin. Why did the Nabateans carve it in the entrance of Jabal Ithlib? To collect the rainwater and to purify themselves before they enter to the Siq. This passage called the Siq, which is the place for rites and rituals, okay? Please follow me. We will explain the goddesses inside the Siq. Can you pronounce it? Dushara. Exactly, Dushara, okay? And they represent their chief god by this eagle in the top of the niche. Did you notice it? So we believe this niche belongs to the Nabateans, okay? In the top of the niche there is inscriptions, right? It says that a man, he came from Busra, which is a city in Syria, and he carved this niche for his god A'ra or Aghra, okay? Behind you, this niche. Did you notice the 3 symbols? Yeah. It represents the 3 goddesses that mentioned in the Holy Quran, Al-Quran Al-Kareem, which is Allat, Manat, Wal-Uzza. Which means that a lot of civilization passed through history. Okay? All good?
Yes.
Which is called Jabal al-Banat. Jabal al-Banat can be translated to the girls' mountain. Why did they call it like that? Because the majority of some of these tombs belongs to women. Women in Nabatean's kingdom have equal rights like men. They are allowed to represent them in court and they could be rich to own the tomb, okay? While we are walking around this mountain, you will notice a lot of different decorated facades, okay? And actually that represents the status of the owner. So the more rich you are, the more symbols and very well decorated facade you will have. So what do you think? Is this beautiful tomb behind me belongs to a middle class or a very rich man? Very rich. You agree? Very rich. Good answer, but we will keep the answer till we reach to the third stop. You will compare and you will tell me again, okay? Let's explain the symbols. Usually, they are the symbols on the top of their tombs. Why? Because they believe it will send their souls to the heaven or to the throne of their chief god, which is the Shara. And as I told you in the first stop, they represent their chief god by this eagle in the top of the door, okay? Above the eagle there is a inscription box, right? From the inscription box we know who is the owner of that tomb and who is allowed to put it inside this tomb, okay? So all the tombs here in Hijra, it's a family tomb. Until this moment we discover more than 100 tombs, okay? Under the eagle, inside the triangle, did you notice the face of the woman with the two snakes? Do you know who is she?
Medusa.
Exactly, Medusa. Okay. You are archaeologists. Okay. What about the columns? The columns, it's an apathy and decoration, and the majority of the tombs here in Hijra contains only 2 columns. Okay. Now, together we will walk around this mountain. Actually, this mountain contains more than 30 tombs. Okay. We will walk together till we reach tomb number 26 in the yellow tag. You see the yellow tag? Till we reach tomb 26, please guys, this is the only tomb that we can go inside. Okay, and we will explain the burials practices. Excited?
Excited.
Okay, let's go. Okay, welcome to our last stop, which is called Jabal al-Ahmar. Jabal al-Ahmar can be translated to the Red Mountain. Why did they call it like that? Because the mountain turned to reddish in the sunset, okay? What is special about these tombs, it's the closest mountain to the Nabatean settlement. What is their city? Over there in the valley. It's still buried beneath the sand, still under excavation. But archaeologists prove to us that they found their houses, their temples, as well as a workshop for a pottery, okay? Now we will talk about these tombs. These tombs were covered by a layer of sand for thousands of years. When they excavate this mountain, imagine what they found inside this tomb in the middle next to the smaller one. It was actually closed by a wooden door. When archaeologists opened the door, they found not one body, not 2 bodies, not 20 bodies. They found 80 bodies put inside. 80. Okay? After they studied their bones, they found that most of them, they were relatives. Okay? Between all these bodies, they found a very well preserved skeleton for a woman called Hinna, daughter of Wahab. What is special about Hinna, they found with her, around her neck, a necklace. It was made of dates, the Arabian sweet. Okay? So the archaeologists reconstruction her face. I actually call it my great grandmother. Okay? Same blood. You can visit the exhibition in the visitor center and you can see my great grandmother. Okay? Now, me and my colleague Aisha, we have a surprise for you. Excited to see the surprise?
Yes.
Okay, please follow me.
There's a quiz exam.
And let's count together till 3, okay?
Okay.
1, 2,
3.
Look over there, the face rock. It's a natural formation rock not related to the Nabateans or human carving. It's by erosion. Okay? He could be my great grandpa. Okay?
Wow.
Second day lunch. Tara. Please.
Alhamdulillah.
Kakain kami, siyempre, lunch, di ba? Ha? Yes. Ay, oo. Grabe. Alis na kami. Thank you, accommodation.
Thank you, accommodation.
Yan, hintay namin aircon para hindi mataas yung pinag. Papunta na kami sa sasakyan. Salamat accommodation. Ayan na, naghihintay na yung bus namin. Ay hindi, van pa. Galit na si Pac.
Sarap kayo, boss.
Ha?
Yan.
Habibi.
Yes.
Ay, may shalal. Yung langaw hindi nagbaybay talaga.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
Salamat.
Kuya Philip, thank you sa pagpapahiram.
So, it's my pleasure po and good luck po. Support po, Wonderfeel!
Ari.
Papura na yung festival mo.
Hello Lord talaga. Sunstorm. Sunstorm pa.
It's something...
May sinasabi yung toilet number 5.
Oo.
Sabi ni sa pader, kayo po ba ang tatay namin?
Babu Amin! Why you move here?
Let's kid, naligaw kami.
Ito there. Because you are there, so I come.
Nakapagpara kami, yan. Bibili kami ng, wow, gusto ko. May hanap laborento man. Kwenta pa. Ayan yung pa-picture. Thank you, my friend. This is the Habsa, pinagmamalaki sa Saudi Arabia. Gabza. Yan. Ito, napakasarap na ano sa Saudi. Ito yung gabza nila. Kamatis
Wala
na.
yung ano, jar-jar, my friend. Only this one, bubu?
Okay, let's eat. Kinakamayan mas masarap. Again,
Doon ka.
chicken.
Ito ni White Daddy.
Uy.
Ay, wow.
Pakainin na lang natin.
Tomato ba?
Ebda kadir hada onion. Sarap daw eh. Thank you, Lord. Hindi mong kainin na gamit ng tawag dito, gloves. Gloves or bare hand. Ayan yung mga sausawan, may kamatis. Kamatis. Ayan.
Sarap.
Stop over kami dito sa Buraida.
Ay, akala ko live boat.
Il.
Kailan pa rin tayo?
Sibuyas, yung sibuyas nila dito hindi maanghang. Matamis ang sibuyas niya.
Manghang dud.
Maanghang. Kapampangan. Maanghang. Yeah. Yung repolyo dito kinakain na sariwa.
Oo.
Hindi kompleto ang Saudi experience mo kung hindi ka kumain ng gabza.
Hindi sa lettuce.
Tignan nyo po yung servings nila. Oh. Good for, kung nasa Pinas ka, tatlo na to.
Tatlo.
Dito kailangan maubos isa. Nung alis, saksak na kayong pitaklan. May bago sila, oh. Yung onion, crispy na.
Crispy onion.
Onion. Diba to, yung mansin mas masarap.
Guwapo eh.
Kain muna kami.
Manyaman yung chicken soy, eh?
Wow. Friend Amin, yes. Our executive driver in KSA Kabayan Tours. He's now drinking the karakti. What do you call this one, sir? Karakti, ha? Okay, cheers. Cheers. Okay.
Yun ba yung ano?